everybody, how you doing? And welcome to my latest full body home workout. This week, I'm going to give you a complete full body fat burning body weight workout. Now this week's workout is one of my signature workouts, so it is upper body, lower body combo, cardio and core exercises, and then we combine that with an extremely powerful interval training workout structure. So if you're ready, let me take you through one complete circuit, and then you can just repeat that 4 to 6 times depending on your own fitness level. Let's go. So there you go, guys. This is the kind of workouts I like, simple but extremely effective. And as always, remember, if you want to learn how to use these workouts with any of my other bodyweight workouts that I've uploaded onto my YouTube channel over the last 12 years to actually get results, then come and join my 100% free 21-day home bodyweight challenge. And you can simply go to 6weeksixpack.com/BW challenge to sign up for that and get started with it right now. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, as always, please click on the like button. Please subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet, and leave a comment below if you have done this workout so I can see how you all get on. Until the next time, keep it simple out there and have fun. Bye-bye.